pretty shitty looking day outside. Don't worry about that. But since it's the shitty looking day outside, I shouldn't have any problem working on this car. I've been kind of postponing this, but I can't really postpone it anymore because the Derby is pretty much tomorrow and we still have this huge list of stuff to do. So let's say we get started. Okay, so driver's mirror. Oh, that was sneaky, you little bastard. Alright, let's start working on this list and we'll come back to it. We have quite a bit of stuff to do to it, so let's get back to this. Well, that looks like crap. And that looks like crap. What's the other side look like? I don't know if you guys haven't determined that looks like crap. That one kind of looks like Shelburne scrap, not crap. I'm not really a painter. I don't have good brushes, and my paint's all frozen paint that's been up here for years. So, don't really have the patience for it. But we tried putting Shelburne iron and metal. I'll put it down on the paperwork as well. Tried putting my numbers on the side, but the white paint's too wet. We got the Shelburne iron and metal decals on there. We got some Lucas put in the engine. We are putting some anti-slip stuff in the transmission just because I lost a little bit. And I don't have any ATF here, so I'm going to buy some to put into this. We got the fuel lines all flopped around. We got the wiring cleaned up. We've gone through the entire list. Only thing missing is GoPro, bumper plates, a fire extinguisher I've done, the sunroof I've done, cage I've done. Everything's done except bumper plates and GoPro. You guys have been sending me a lot of videos on these Subarus inside the ring, and I am enjoying watching them. I'm not much of a painter. I'm covered in paint. Not really enjoying the paint and stuff, but I want to say thank you everybody that's watching. From what I've seen from the one guy sent me 4 videos, 2 were from the stands an in-car of a 2-man team, and another one was like a very muddy track. And then I was sent another video where this thing did really good. Now what I'm seeing is that they're overheating and they're turning off. So I kind of think that's what's going to happen to me. I think it's going to get hot and I think it's going to turn off. I haven't put the time, knowledge, effort into harnesses, temp sensors, playing with the computers, anything like that. But from what I've seen is protect the front tires, use the back. The backs of these things look incredibly well. I've seen one video that the guy posted where this thing ate the back of a Camry wagon, and this thing looked pretty stock, and the Camry looked mild built, but I was impressed. And I think the big thing is I need to get traction, I need to get speed, and now that I've got rid of all the all-wheel drive, I'm going to have none of that. So, we'll have to see. I have a good expectation for this. Barrie is a very large track. It's a clay base, so if it gets wet, it is pretty slippery. But I intend to have fun. I don't really care if I win, guys. I was going to try to get the Durango there as well, but I'm not going to have time to get the Durango there. I think I'm barely going to have time to get this thing there. So we'll take the Durango somewhere else. There's a couple other derbies coming up with some 4 fun classes, and I think it's going to be great. So I just want to say thank you, everybody, for watching this, commenting. You guys left a lot of comments about ones that you've seen run. I've never seen one of these run here in Ontario. The very first Subaru I've ever seen ran in Ontario was my Forester, and then last week I seen another Forester run when I was down in Pennsylvania with Bent Metal Motorsports. There was an older Impreza there, but I believe it had a 2.3 or a 4.3 rear-wheel drive setup in it. It was pretty nasty, but you don't really see a whole lot of Subarus in the ring, and I've been getting a lot of them. I really have. Things I would like different about this car. I like the height. Things I would like would be some metal. I would like a metal hatch, metal hood instead of aluminum. I would like a full sub to the front. I know that I can only get what I get, but I think the Imprezas have a full sub to the front. The newer ones. Not this one. This one's an Outback. I think it runs this Impreza platform. I'm not a huge knowledge of Subarus, but I think they're tough cars, and I think that they're worth running. And hopefully you guys enjoy this. I'm going to have a GoPro in this facing backwards. I'm going to have a GoPro facing forwards, and hopefully we get some good shots out of this. My expectation is to hopefully drive backwards, keep my distance, keep my speed up. No doubles, so I need to keep my speed up and make some good shots. Barrie's a big track where you can make a lot of shots. They do have figure 8 there. I think this thing would be kind of cool for figure 8, but we're not going to do it because I don't have any rear brakes, and you need rear brakes for figure 8 and Barrie. If it's super muddy and it rains the day before, maybe I'll do it. But I don't have the tires for that, to be honest. I do have really aggressive 15s, but the problem is 15s don't fit this car. So, thanks everybody for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the build on this. I had a lot of complaints about the last Subaru that I put zero effort into it, and you guys were right. I had no cage. I moved no electrical. All I did was put an 80s bumper on it and loop the rad lines. Well, this one here has a cage. I put a little bit more effort on it. I put a better bumper. I built headers. It's still very stock, but I did put more effort. So hopefully you guys enjoy these videos. They'll be up next week. Maybe Tuesday. The Derby is on Sunday, so if any of you guys are around the Barrie area, please stop in and cheer me on. Stop in, say hi. I'll be there. Be nice to see you guys there. Take care, guys. We'll see you back here till maybe Tuesday, Monday or Tuesday. I'm not sure. Here on Zach's Workshop. Take care, everybody.